Hi friends, welcome back. I am Priyanka and in today's video I am going to show you how I like to do papaya facial at home. So guys, papaya has amazing benefits on our skin and health, and fruit facials are really popular during summers. So today I will show you 3 easy steps how to do papaya facial at home. This will include cleansing, scrubbing and face pack. So guys, let's get started. And very first step of this facial is cleansing. So for any kind of skincare or facial, guys, cleansing is very important step. And for all these cleansing, scrubbing and face pack process, we will apply papaya. We will include papaya ingredient. So I'm going to take a papaya slice and I will smash it. This is the quantity of papaya that we will need for all these 3 steps. So firstly, we will prepare our own natural cleanser to clean our skin, and I'm going to mix raw milk into the papaya. So guys, I just added some papaya juice into the milk, and this is how I like to prepare my own natural cleanser. And with the help of the cotton pad, I'm going to clean and my face. I'm going to gently clean my face and neck area, and I will make sure that there is no any impurities, dirt, pollution or leftover makeup, sweat or any excess of oil present on my face. And this step is really important. It softens the dry, flaky and dead skin on your face. So guys, these dry, dead skin really makes your face appear really dull. It won't allow your makeup to sit on your face because of these dry and dead skin. So it's really important to firstly cleanse and soften those dry, flaky skin, so that after we scrub our face, these dry and flaky skin will come out very easily. So like that, I take my time in gently clean my complete face, and after that I'm going to wash my face with clean water, and that's it. The cleansing process is done. So after cleansing, we will move on to the scrubbing, and for scrubbing we will need natural homemade scrub. So guys, for this scrub I will add sugar and some honey and papaya juice, a little bit of it, and I'm going to mix all these 3 natural ingredients all together. These are 100% natural, environmental friendly, and this scrub works amazing on my skin. It's a detan scrub, I would say, because it has papaya. The papain enzyme present in papaya helps to lighten and brighten the skin complexion, and sugar and honey is really great for the skin. Honey is antibacterial and works great in terms of treating acne prone skin. So guys, with the help of this scrub, I will firstly remove all the softened, dry, flaky and dead skin from my face, and this will deeply cleanse my face. It will unclog my skin pores and make my skin really clean and prepared for the next step of my facial. And I will mainly concentrate on my nose area, around my chin, wherever I feel like to remove all the dry and dead skin, or it will also remove blackheads and whiteheads from the face. And this is how my skin looks after scrubbing the face. So guys, we are done with the scrubbing process, and let's move on to the last and final step of this facial, which is applying face pack. And here I am preparing papaya face pack, which is a detan face pack, skin lightening and brightening face pack. So to prepare this face pack, we will need the papaya paste, and I'm adding some besan, a pinch of turmeric into it. I have also added fresh milk butter into it, which hydrates, moisturizes and nourishes our skin. So it's really great. I have added all these amazing natural ingredients in this face pack. Guys, turmeric is antibacterial and really great in terms of treating acne prone skin. It removes any kind of impurities from the skin. So friends, papaya in this face pack, it also helps to lighten and brighten your skin tone. It removes all the blemishes and also helps to remove the pigmentation and any kind of darkness and dullness going on all our face. The papain enzyme present in this papaya, it works great in terms of lightening the skin tone. So if you are regular with this face pack, I'm sure it will boost your skin complexion and also make your skin crystal clear. Also helps to tighten your skin. It also reduces the fine lines, wrinkles and large skin pores from the skin. It will make your skin really bright and fresh and soft. So this is something that I really like about it. After doing this face pack, I'll only like to apply my moisturizer. I won't apply any other cream and let my skin rest for good 12 hours. After that, my skin is free to apply any kind of makeup. I hope you all enjoyed watching this papaya facial tutorial, and I hope you all like it. If you really like this fruit facial, guys, then please try this and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more videos like this, and I will see you all soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.